Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for achieving financial success: how to budget like a pro. Whether you're looking to save more, spend smarter, or just take control of your money, these 10 strategies will help you master your finances and achieve your goals. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Budgeting is a powerful tool that helps you manage your finances, achieve goals, and build long-term security. By breaking down the process into actionable steps, you can make intentional financial decisions, reduce stress, and feel in control of your money. Below, we explore 10 essential strategies for budgeting like a pro, explained in detail over 1,100 words. 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step to effective budgeting is defining your financial goals. Without specific goals, it's easy to lose track of your priorities and spend impulsively. Goals provide purpose to your financial plan, guiding your spending and saving habits. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation, buying a new gadget, or building a small emergency fund, while long-term goals often involve significant milestones, such as homeownership, retirement, or starting a business. When setting goals, ensure they are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of vaguely saying, "I want to save money," you might say, "I want to save $5,000 in 12 months for a vacation." This clarity keeps you focused and motivated, helping you align your budget with your priorities. 2. Track income and expenses. To budget effectively, you need a clear understanding of your financial situation. Tracking your income and expenses is essential to identify how much money is coming in and where it's going. Use tools like budgeting apps, Egg, Mint, or YNAB, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook to log all sources of income and every expense. Categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and savings to see patterns in your spending. For example, you might discover that you're spending more on dining out than you realized. Awareness is the first step toward making changes. Tracking also helps you identify wasteful spending and redirect funds towards your financial goals. 3. Apply the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a straightforward budgeting framework that helps you allocate your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment. 50% of your income should go toward essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% is reserved for discretionary spending on things like dining out, entertainment, or hobbies. The remaining 20% is dedicated to building savings or paying off debt. This rule provides a balance between living in the present and preparing for the future. It's also flexible enough to accommodate different financial situations. For instance, if you have significant debt, you might adjust the percentages to allocate more toward repayment. 4. Automate your savings. Saving consistently can be challenging, especially when you rely on willpower alone. Automating your savings ensures that you prioritize your financial goals without having to think about it. Set up automatic transfers to a savings or investment account on payday. This way, a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. This strategy, often referred to as paying yourself first, builds good financial habits and creates a sense of discipline. Over time, automated savings help you accumulate wealth with minimal effort. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or retirement, automation is a powerful tool to help you stay consistent. 5. Use the envelope system. The envelope system is a traditional but highly effective method for managing spending. It involves dividing your budget into categories such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation, and allocating a set amount of cash for each. Place the cash in labeled envelopes, and once the money in an envelope is gone, you can't spend any more in that category for the month. 6. Cut unnecessary expenses. One of the most impactful ways to improve your budget is by reducing unnecessary expenses. Start by auditing your subscriptions and memberships. Cancel services you no longer use, such as streaming platforms or gym memberships. Evaluate your spending on discretionary items, like dining out or impulse shopping, and look for areas where you can cut back. 7. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial safety net that protects you from unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Financial experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt during emergencies. Start small if saving several months' expenses feels overwhelming. Even setting aside $500 to $1,000 can provide a buffer for minor emergencies. Contribute regularly to your fund, even if it's a modest amount each month, and watch it grow over time. 8. Review and adjust your budget regularly. A budget is not a one-time task. It's a dynamic plan that needs regular review and adjustment. Changes in your income, expenses, or goals can impact your financial situation, so it's essential to revisit your budget monthly or quarterly. For example, if you get a raise, you might allocate the extra income towards savings or debt repayment, rather than increasing discretionary spending. Similarly, if unexpected expenses arise, you may need to cut back in other areas temporarily. 9. Leverage budgeting tools and apps. Technology has made budgeting easier than ever. Budgeting tools and apps help you track spending, set goals, and gain insights into your financial habits. Popular apps like Mint provide a comprehensive view of your finances by linking your accounts and categorizing expenses automatically. YNAB, You Need a Budget, focuses on assigning every dollar a job, ensuring your money is fully allocated. 10. Plan for irregular expenses. Many budgets fail because they don't account for irregular expenses. These are occasional costs like annual insurance premiums, holiday shopping, or car maintenance. When these expenses arise, they can disrupt your budget and force you to dip into savings or go into debt. The solution is to create a sinking fund, a dedicated savings account where you set aside small amounts regularly for predictable but infrequent expenses. For example, if you know your car insurance premium is $600 annually, you can save $50 per month in your sinking fund. This approach spreads the cost over time, making it easier to manage. Thanks for watching. We hope these 10 tips inspire you to take charge of your budget and make every dollar count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our financial tips and tricks. Have questions or your own budgeting hacks? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.